Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So tonight I wanted to talk about two tickers that I just absolutely love, and I do want to note that I would prefer to get in at a little bit lower prices. 5% up move is not really a great spot to get in, but I love the setup. You can see the squeeze, you can see the volume turning positive. It's just about to cross over this zero line right here. Typically when we get a move like that, it can be a pretty positive move to the upside. I also love the cup and handle pattern. We're also about to close, up above this 8 EMA. These candles are about to shift colors, and basically I just love this chart. So I'm looking at Crowdstrike right now. I think better entry would be around 103 or 100, but I wouldn't mind starring a little bit here. You can also see that there's a ton of call volume here. You've got 27,000 contracts open on the call side versus 7,000 on the put side. On something like this, because it doesn't have earnings coming up soon, I want to give it a little bit more time. And so typically with these, I do like to stick with a monthly expiration series just because it has a little bit more volume. And I think that would make sense in this case. So right here, you do have the Delta 60s. Those are going to cost you around $8, $8.50, something like that. And then you also have the Delta 70s. Those are going to be at the 100 strike. They're going to be a little bit more expensive, but they will hold their premium a little bit better. So I love that trade. The next one that I want to talk about is Net. I keep calling it Netscape, but it's Cloudflare. Cloudflare. Just kidding. So I really like these more recent hot IPOs, especially the ones that are doing pretty well, and this is one of them. Again, it was up 3.65% today. A lot of the stocks on my watch list were just on fire today, and so, this was going right along with them. So looking at it here, we're basically running right into a key area of resistance. But we do have earnings upcoming, and I do have a $45 price target. So when I look at this with earnings on the August 6th, that would bring us into this monthly expiration series right here. One of the main reasons why I like trading this one as well is because it's a pretty low price stock, and so you can get a Delta 70 for about $6, which I think is a fantastic deal. So you got $6, $4 here. These are companies that could really be huge in the long term. I think they're great for long-term stock picks as well. But I especially love them for momentum trades, especially because they have such large percentage gains on the day. You get a lot of movement, and that's what you need in the options market. Great squeeze, great on the VZO. Everything looks great except for an entry right here. So, maybe just wait for a turnaround Tuesday or someday where the market's not very happy with itself, and then come back and look at Net. So if I trade this, I'll be trading it in my mastery program, which you can find at simplertrading.com/profits. Beyond that, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.